Hey guys, it's me again, Carla, and welcome to the video. So for today's video guys, I'm gonna show you on how to pay your S-Loan on Shopee using GCash. So first of all, let's go to your profile and tap S-Loan. So magantay tayo ng kaunti dahil yung ating internet is slightly mabagal and ayoko namang mag-cut tayo dito. For transparency, baka sabihin nila na hindi legit yung aking tutorial for today. So, ayan guys, meron tayong loanable amount na 1,320 and as you can see, ito ang aking monthly payment, 900 plus. So, just tap the pay and then, hintay tayo. So, ayan, yung pinili kong payment method is yung GCash. And don't forget to type your email ad kasi hindi magpupursue yung payment natin sa GCash kung walang email ad dahil dito nagsisend si Shopee ng ating receipt pag nagpe-pay tayo. So, wag niyo po akong email. So, tap pay. And after that, dahil nakalink na nga yung aking GCash sa aking Shopee, we will type our number na. But make sure na merong laman naman yung ating GCash app. Kasi pag wala, hindi rin naman tayo makakapagbayad. And let's wait for the OTP. Ito yung kagandahan sa GCash. Kasi hindi tayo basta-basta makakapay using other GCash account. No? So, for safety purposes na rin. So, ayan, tap pay. And then, successfully na yung ating pagbabayad ng ating Shopee loan. So, ayan. As you can see guys, na-receive ko na sa email yung confirmation ng ating payment. And, ayan. Ito na yung ating available loanable amount, 1,688. I just wanted to be transparent here. Sobrang laki talaga ng interest ng S-Loan. Kaya kung gusto nyo mag-loan talaga, mag-isip-isip kayo guys kasi medyo mapapamahal tayo. So nakikita niyo dito guys, sa 7,000 na loan ko, so 4,000 plus talaga yung interest na mababayad ko kay Shopee. So, ayan. Thank you so much for watching. See you again on my next one. Bye!